Here we have the graph of y equals x. It's this line that goes right up here. It has a slope of 1, it goes to the origin 0, 0, and then it asks you which of the answers is a graph of y equals x plus 5. The answers are not showing in this video right here. But what I want to tell you is there's a couple different ways to do this. You can just graph what y equals x plus 5. Well, this is in y equals mx plus b form. And you know the m in this case is 1, because that's the number in front of the x, and the b in this case is 5. So if I wanted to, I'm going to give you another example. I'm going to graph y equals x plus 3, where my b is 3 and my slope is 1. Well, if my y-intercept is 3, it's right here. 1, 2, 3. And I graph the y-intercept. And if the slope is 1, it means it's 1 over 1. So I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and connect the dots. You do have to connect the dots. This is the graph I just drew of y equals x plus 3. So one way to recognize what the correct answer is just by graphing it. The other thing you can recognize is something called translations, which I'll give you a quick little overview on. You deal with it in geometry and also a little bit in algebra. Is that if you take a function and you just add a constant to it, all it really does is move that function up or down. It shifts it up or down. So for example, if I had y equals x minus 2, it would take the graph of y equals x and it would shift it down 2. So it would take this graph, boom, boom, everything would get shifted down 2. And that's just a translation or a shifting of that graph. So two ways to go about this one.